Today we're going to show how easy it is to install the new Phase Technology variable length soundbar, which is designed to perfectly match the width of your TV for a sleek finish. We custom make the parts for each soundbar to fit up to a 100-inch TV. The VLS comes in two different sizes, the VLS70 LCR, which fits up to a 70-inch TV, and the VLS100 LCR, which fits up to a 100-inch TV. These made-to-order 3-channel, acoustically superb soundbars are specially crafted to serve as left, center, and right channels using 3 separate speaker cabinets while aesthetically matching the video display width and color. First, let's get into some of the features and specs for the VLS. Each of the 3 cabinets has 2 3-inch polypropylene woofers with NBR surrounds, 2 3-inch polypropylene base radiators with NBR surrounds, and 1 3/4-inch soft dome tweeter. On the back of each cabinet, there is a 2-pin Euroblock input. Each cabinet has an impedance of 8 ohms. The frequency response is 80 Hz to 20 kHz. The sensitivity is 90 decibels, and recommended power is 15 to 100 watts. The VLS is designed to have a very simple installation process. First, install the mounting bar. Use proper mounting screws to attach the bar to the wall 5/8 of an inch below the bottom of the TV. This will ensure the soundbar is flush with the bottom of the TV when the grill is attached. If possible, mount the bar directly to studs, or use drywall anchors, toggle bolts, or another hollow wall anchor alternative. Even though the soundbar weighs up to 24 pounds, we recommend using wall anchors that can hold up to 75 pounds for an added safety factor. The mounting bar has slot holes every 8 inches along the bar on both the top and bottom of the bar to make it easy to level. Ensure the mounting bar is level with the TV screen and adjust if necessary. Next, install the speaker cabinets. Attach the mounting hardware to each speaker by inserting the cabinet screws through the front and screwing the mounting wings to the back. Run your speaker wires to the Euroblock connector on each cabinet and then slide them onto the bar. The mounting bar has holes in the center on both the top and bottom to run your wires through. Center the middle cabinet along the bar and place the 2 outer cabinets flush with the edge of the mounting bar by sliding the mounting wings into the center channel on the mounting bar. Once the cabinets are in place, use the included Allen wrench to tighten the cabinets. Last, attach the grill to the soundbar. It just slides over the front of the soundbar and snaps into place. And that's it! We recommend pairing the VLS with our Phase Technology P335 3.1 channel Dolby Digital amplifier, which is small enough to fit behind your TV and can be programmed to work with your TV remote, so no extra remote is needed. Each cabinet can be wired to one channel on the amplifier to create a left, center, and right all in one. The VLS comes with a black cloth grille with custom colors available. The full soundbar is only 2 7/8 inches deep and 6 3/4 inches tall. The width is customized to perfectly fit the exact same width as your TV. The VLS soundbars find applications in various settings, including 3-channel home theater setups, living rooms, home offices, and conference rooms. For more information on the VLS or any other Phase Technology products, go to phasetech.com or call us at 855-663-5600.